Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how I run a successful goat farm. If you're thinking about getting goats or improving your current setup, I have some helpful tips based on my personal experience. First of all, hygiene is key. Keeping your goats clean will help keep them healthy and thriving. But that's not all. Let's dive into some specific tips that I've found to be really effective. One of the most important things I do is give my kid goats iron shots. This gives them a boost of strength early on, especially when they're young. The iron boosts their immune system, which helps them stay strong as they grow. You'll notice a difference when your kid goats are healthy and active right from the start. Now, let's talk space and organization. On any goat farm, it is important to keep your goats well segregated, especially when they start to become territorial. For example, my goat Rudy is getting quite large and territorial, so I had to move him into a separate pen to avoid conflict with the others. This helps keep the peace and gives all my goats the space they need to grow and reproduce. For the doe goats with kids, I make sure they have a spacious pen, so they can care for their kids without feeling cramped. If you are just starting out, here is a little encouragement. Goat farming can be very rewarding. Out of my 5 doe goats, I now have 6 healthy kids, all in a short period of time. Goat farming can scale up quickly if you focus on two key factors: feed and housing. Always make sure these basics are met. Over the next 6 months I hope to see more kids born, and that is the beauty of goat farming. They breed so quickly. I have noticed that most of my kids have been bucks this season, and I am still trying to figure out why. If any of you have any insight into why this is happening, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. As for food, my goats love fresh grass and the kids have started grazing. It should be noted that I do not dehorn my goats because in my area some markets prefer goats with horns, like our Muslim brothers, which makes selling the goats easier. This is one of those little things you have to consider depending on where you farm and who your buyers are. Finally, a quick word on milk production. My native goats do not produce enough milk to sell, so I am planning to introduce some dairy goats like Anglo-Saxon. This will open up a new source of income for my farm, as goat milk is in high demand. My goal for 2024 is to increase my goat herd to 100 goats. This is an ambitious goal, but with a little effort and perseverance, I know it is achievable. If you have a large piece of unused land, I encourage you to consider turning it into a goat farm. Raising goats is not only low maintenance, but it is also a great way to support food security. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned for more tips and insights only on Quack Farm.
What do you think about this issue? Please leave a comment below for everyone to know and discuss. Goodbye and see you again.